Hello, my name is Betty Jo Bunker and I do angel succulents in Florida. Welcome to my channel. Remember to subscribe, push the like, and hit the notification button so you never miss a video. Yeah, this is number 8 and I have basically did a lot since my last video. I put in all the red lava rocks. I've moved out those on the video we did earlier on replanting those desert roses that I grew from seedlings, the 14 different colors. Well, I've moved them out in the sun and they'll have a home soon. Actually, nothing here has a true home yet. I put in the ribbons. That's the Dorado beach pebble rocks. And I think I'm going to put another line. And I think it's starting to rain. But this is what this looks like from this side. Over here, I still have some more mulch to get. It's the pine nugget mulch. These pink rocks are Canadian. They're Canadian river rock. And I get all my rocks from Rock and Mulch. Actually, it's Homosassa Rock and Mulch off Grover, Cleveland in Homosassa, Florida. And I have another ribbon, and I have it divided in half. Not in half, but it's divided, and it's really starting to rain. But I have started this garden over here. And now I'm waiting for a deluge rainpour to see how this is going to work. And after that happens, then I'm going to fill up the gutter with black river rock. And I do have some elephant bush planted, crown of thorns, euphorbia crown of thorns. Actually, elephant bush is not in the jade family, and elephants actually eat it. And that's the euphorbia fire sticks. And I put the sundial over here. And I pulled up some of my gladiolas and put it around the ceramic container I'm using for my drain. And basically, this is my garden.